Hello everyone. In today's episode, we're going to open the second package I got from Firewalker. I'm pretty excited. There's a bunch of interesting things in here, so we'll waste no time, get right into it. How is everyone enjoying the fall season? I've very much been enjoying football, watching that. Excited for the game today. I think it's the Cowboys and the Giants. And yeah. I guess go Cowboys. Not really though. Go Patriots. That's funny. Big Pats fan, but we're not really doing too hot this season, so it is what it is. We're living our lives out here, but you know, we get it done, or we used to. Maybe not so much anymore, but that's okay. Tape on the sides. I gotta snip real quick. Before we can get in. That'll do it. Here we go. Let's just get right into it, waste no time. So, we got a green and a blue. We got basically aliens, and we got dinosaurs. Who knows what colors, but we got a bunch of these like UK magazine packs. I forget the name. You guys will know. We got, oh, these are sick. Okay, so these are two different art packs for Explorer. So series 3, but different art. Really like that. And then series 2, same thing, one GOGO, one pack. But these are sealed. These are awesome. I'm gonna keep these for my personal collection to have for sure. These are sick. Let's just get that out of the way. But yeah, so we got a bunch of these guys. So these are the, I think C1000 like foot packs, if I understand correctly. I don't know how to pronounce that. Voigt ball, maybe. These are super cool. Really nice. We got a couple more off the top, the left hand side. What do we have here? Panini Mega Trip. Can you believe it? That's pretty nuts. That's like a frickin', looks like a golden ticket. That's pretty cool. And then another Panini, I think this is it Panini? Yeah. Another foot pack. Alright, very cool. So these are glow in the dark. Yeah, glowies. These are glow in the dark Avengers. That's pretty sick. I think I'm gonna open one of these, probably one of each of these. I think I want to hold on to these guys for now. These two. In the Series 2 and the Series 3 packs that have the, what is it called? Just the one GOGO. And then these are more glowies. And then I have Hulk, Iron Man, Black Widow, Captain Marvel, and I'm obviously not going to take these out of the packs because then they'd get all mixed up. Rocket Raccoon, Captain America, Ant-Man, Hawkeye, Nebula, War Machine, and Thor. So I'm 99.9% sure that's a full set, and then a bunch of glowies. The glowies aren't guaranteed to be a full set, but still got a good chunk of them, so that's pretty cool. All right, what do we have here? So these are the hip packs, or I guess, I don't know what you would call these, C1000. I can't read the language on them. It just says GOGOS Crazy Bones. But, so we have, I'm going to try and, so we have 2 different arts, it looks like. And then we have maybe 3 different arts. Wow. That's pretty cool. I'm very excited about these different like arts. We're definitely gonna open one of each All right. That's pretty exciting. And now I think we have some more. This is the last bag here. So these are the I think Extreme C1000 packs. And it looks like we have a couple different arts here. I think this one's my favorite. This art's really cool. I like Skate a lot. All right, I'm pretty sure that's it for the arts. So I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup here, and then we can open up some packs together. All right, guys, let's open up this green dino pack. What do we think? Are we gonna get a blue or are we gonna get a green? It is a green. Pretty cool. Just says a magic box on it. No number. Very cool. Let's do the alien. We got a matching color, so another magic box, green. Very, very, very cool. All right. Let's do the glowy Avenger. Who do we want to get? Thanos would be cool. Honestly, anyone would be cool here. So let's see what we got. We got Thor, looks like. You're gonna have to take my word for it that it's glow in the dark. I think he says number 16. I wonder how many characters you could get. Nope, and we have some stickers. Very cool. All right, let's try the C1000 foot pack. It's funny to me that he's number 57, but he's actually number 81. This is a colorless, or not colorless, not unpainted PPI foot figure. It's a pretty cool orange color. It almost kind of is similar in tone to the orange on the pack. All right, I think they're either cool or groovy. I think they're groovy. Oh, goodness. All right. This guy came out doing a dance move, so he is either cool or groovy. This says PPI 53. Pretty cool. Let's see what we got. DJ, PPI, Mordo Magic. Does it say? I guess, yeah, I can't read this language. All right, we're gonna do all of the different arts that we got. That's a cool sticker. I like this GOGO a lot. We got like a, I don't know, panda goth thing with a skull in her hair maybe. PPI number 26. And for the third pack, wow, okay. Now that is a figure. Holy cow. Gold? That's like beautiful. Unscratched, untouched. That's one of my favorites too. He's on the pack art there, but in gold. That's freaking super cool. And then we got a cool sticker of wrap. So there you go. 3 very cool figures there, or groovy. I'm not sure. You guys will have to tell me in the comments. Okay. And then we're going to do these extreme packs. The 4 different arts. So I think this one's the coolest. We got Ripman. Ooh. Okay. Oh, right, yeah, these ones are gonna have, like, gear or something. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Okay, hang on. So PPI 21. Okay. He's got a hole in the side. And he's got this thing. Is this like a grind rail? What is this? Oh man. Somebody tell me what to do. This is beyond my knowledge. Alright. We've got this pack. This art's pretty cool too. I mean, pretty extreme. There you go. He's it looks like he's just on a board. Does this okay, it looks like maybe it comes out. Yep. Okay. Ta-da. Now, does that fit? I don't think so. So, there goes my theory about the holes. I don't know why they did that, but maybe it's just makes the mold remove easier, but I don't know. That's pretty cool. I mean, pretty extreme. Let's see what we got in this one. Looks like we got a surfboard maybe in this figure. Number 50 or 31. And sorry, this guy's number 20. And we got this sticker. Oh hey. We got the same sticker and the same GOGO. Alright, and one more extreme pack. Nasim, I think that's his name. And we got this guy on a skateboard. Pretty rad. Alright, so I think that's going to do it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Firewalker, so much for the package. I appreciate it a lot. Let's show off these guys one more time. All right, that's everybody all together. So once again, thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.